Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. The much anticipated and awaited verdict of the day has now been pushed from Tuesday to Thursday. We are talking about Aam Aadmi Party Supremo and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's bail petition verdict, which has now been pushed to Thursday. While on the other hand, the Roos Avenue Court has now extended the judicial custody of Arvind Kejriwal till May 20th. Arvind Kejriwal, who is lodged in Tihar jail since March 21 in Delhi excise policy linked to the money laundering case, sought interim bail ahead of the Lok Sabha elections that are slated for Delhi NCR on May 25th. The Supreme Court said it would hear Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's pleas for interim bail in liquor policy case on May 9. Meanwhile, Delhi Roos Court Avenue extended Kejriwal's judicial custody till May 20. A bench of Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Pankaj Datta said Kejriwal will only be granted relief subject to the condition that he will not discharge any official duties, as it may have a cascading effect. The judges also asserted that the situation was extraordinary since the Lok Sabha elections are once in a 5-year event. While granting interim bail, we examine whether there will be any misuse or if the person is hardened criminal. This is not the case here, Justice Khanna said during the proceedings, addressing the ED's argument that exceptions should not be made for politicians. Justice Khanna said, "We are not going by whether he is a politician or not. Every individual would have some or the other exceptional circumstances. We are considering whether an exception is required in view of elections. We are not saying that there has to be a different law for politicians." On May 4, the court orally observed that it may consider the question of granting interim bail to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in liquor policy case owing to the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. During the course of hearing, senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who appeared for Kejriwal, argued that ED need not to have arrested Arvind Kejriwal on March 21 the way it did, as there have been no change in circumstances since Manish Sisodia's case. Kejriwal moved the court against the Delhi High Court order that upheld his arrest. The High Court said that material collected by ED showed that Delhi Chief Minister was actively involved in the Liquorgate policy. That's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.